Hello friend, today I am going to discuss about if function. It's the very important function of Microsoft Excel. I'll fully discuss about if function. So first we have to know what is if function and how to use this function. Just wait. If there are three parameters. Main structure of if function is like this. Okay, so friend, I'm not very well in English, so beg my pardon. I'm just trying to understand how to use the if function. Okay, so here this is the if function and three parameter of if function. Okay, and first parameter is called logic test, and second parameter is this, the second parameter, and this is the third parameter. Okay, so first parameter is the logic test. That means if a equal c, so logic test will be true, and if a equal to suppose Microsoft Excel, all cell A1 is a cell, B1 is a cell, and all cell as a variable. Okay, so when I will use A1, then I am using A1 variable. Okay, so A1 equal 20. This is the value of A1 variable. 20 is the value of A1 variable. Okay, so and I will use this A1 variable on first parameter. How to use? If A1 equal sorry, it's blank, is A1 equal 10. If A1 equal 10, A1 is, that's A1. Okay, if A1 equal 10, then logic will be true. Otherwise A1 equal to another 11, 12, 30, so it will be false. Okay, so when I will enter here 11, then logic test will be false, because we have used here A1 equal to 10. If A1 equal to 10, then it will be true, otherwise it will be false. Okay, so when I will enter here 10, then it will be true. A1 equal to 10, that means A1 का जो A1 वेरिएबल जो वैल्यू है, A1 वेरिएबल का वैल्यू 10. Okay, so A1 equal to 10, that is the true. So when logic test will be true, then will be show on the cell where I will use this function. This cell will be show second parameter, and when A1 equal to, that means logic test will be false, then will be show that result. Okay, so I am typing here. So or if I will use anywhere numeric and variable, then we don't have need to quotation. Otherwise if I will use type here or write here anything, text, then I have to use quotation. So I am using here quotation, this is 10, and I am writing here this is not 10. Why I have used it quotation? Because this is the text. If I use only 10, then not necessary to use quotation. I will use here 0, not necessary to use quotation. Okay. When I will write here text, and if I will use here a, the a1 equal to age. So age is a character, therefore I have to use quotation. Okay. If this is numeric or variable, so I don't need to use quotation. Okay. So I am using here 10, so not necessary to use quotation. So this is 10, this is not 10. Okay. And when I will input here 10, result will be show this, because a1 equal to 10 here, and I have we have logic test is a1 equal, if a1 equal to 10, then logic test will be true and result will be show second parameter. When logic test will be false, result will be show third parameter. Okay. Now question, when I will enter here 12, question for you, what parameter will be show, second or third? Please answer me. What? Please answer me. I am giving you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right, you are right, you are right. Then it will be show third parameter, because our logic test is false, because a1 variable value is 12, therefore this logic test false, and this is the if function. Okay. So live test will do there. This is the a1. Okay. And I am entering the formula and C2 cell. Okay. When I will enter any when I will write any text, we don't need equal, and when I will write any function, so we have to use equal, and then if this is the function, if function, and under the if function 3 parameter. First is logic test, second is value if true, third is value if false. First this is the a1, I am clicking the a1 variable. Okay, equal 10. If a1 equal 10, then will be show this is 10, question close, then comma, this is not 10. Okay. And what now will be show? Now will be show third parameter, because a1 variable is blank, it's empty. This is not 10, third parameter. Okay. When I will enter here 8, this is not 10. When I will enter 10, this is 10. Understand? Very simple, it's very simple. Okay. And use here product name. Suppose we have a shop and we are entering a product price. So if A1 equal mobile, mobile, when I will type character text mobile, so I have to use quotation. If I will not use quotation, error, getting error. Okay, so I have to use quotation because this is the text. Quotation. I am entering here this. I have to use quotation because this is the text. This is mobile, or when it will be blank, I am giving a message. Please select a DCT product. So here showing third parameter because our variable was A1 and A1 is not equal to mobile, therefore this logic test is false, therefore showing third parameter. Okay, when I will enter here mobile, then logic will be true and we will show second parameter, this is mobile. Okay, and this is the if function. And now I am giving you I am showing you the equal, and I will use greater than or less than. Okay, so I have to use variable A1 or any variable you can use here. Suppose B2. If B2 greater than 100, 100 is a number, therefore you do not need double quotation, comma. If B1 variable value when it will be greater than 100, it will be true, or otherwise it will be false. This is the I don't mind spelling also, showing here greater than. Okay, zero. That's 0 because here not, and I will use 101, right? This is GERTSC then 100. Okay, then 90, 0 because this is not above 100. Okay. So you can here when I will type here 100, then I will show 0 because here declare greater than 100. If I will use here equal, sorry. If I was equal, then it will be start 100. Okay, this is greater than and this is not greater than. Okay, and now I am giving this, I am showing you the how to we will use this if function dynamically. I am entering here for product name, but I don't use here product name, I have variable mobile. If A1 equal and sorry A2 equal B2, if A2 equal B2, A2 and B2 is a variable, therefore we don't need quotation, comma, A2 variable का जो वैल्यू एंड b2 वेरिएबल का जो वैल्यू जब एक होगी, when it will be same, then result will be true and result will be show this is same. Beg my pardon, any error, any mistake, any grammatical mistake and any spelling mistake, beg my pardon. Just I want to show you, learn you how to if. Okay, this is not same because a1 equal 0, b1 equal 100. This is not true. Therefore showing third parameter when it will be equal 100, this is same. Okay, because we have used it here variable. Okay, so when I will use here 500, 5000 and here 5000, this is same because we do, when I will use here 100, then I have use this function. When I will use this function, I have to change here. Or if you use here variable, you don't need to go function. You just change this variable value. The function will be result will be shown with this value argument. Okay, and how to use multiple if function and at this time. Okay, just showing video is going long. Okay, if a2 equal mobile, I am going to show here price. Okay, if a1 equal to say Sony TV, a2 equal to this, if equal to Sony TV, then price will be show 20,000. We don't need here quotation because this is the number. Okay, comma, and when anyone enter here 5,000, 10,000, then this logic test will be false. When it will be false, then function will be go here third parameter. And if I want to use another product, Sony TV, and I will add here Samsung TV, or I will have here mobile SIM, SIM using here. Okay, SIM. Okay, jab SIM is now I have to write here if when it will be false, then function will be called here, and I am writing here the okay, I am giving you details. This is the first. Okay, second if, just I am turning here, and I will change this product name only, just test them, that means Samsung 20. This is the product model. Okay, this is price, suppose 10,000. So here I have added Sony TV. I am using here STV, or here SM20. Okay, STV. Oh sorry, B2 is B2. Here I will use B2, B3. Sorry. When I will enter here SMTV 0, because I have declared B2 equal SATB, then it will be true and show second parameter. When it will be false, show third parameter. Okay, when I will enter here SM20. Okay, so this is the second if and this is the first if, and we want to use here when I will type here SM and show it will be show here SM price. When I will type here SM20, it will be show SM20 price. Okay, so I have to use this if. When this if false, when if it is false, I will use here, let's see. Okay, if B2 equal SM20 comma 10,000, okay, equal to 0. This is the first we have to mind it how many if I will use the and I have to use same bracket. Okay, here two if 1 and 2, and last we have added here 2 bracket 1 2. Okay, this is the first if, this is the first if, and first parameter, and this is second parameter, and this is third parameter. Okay, and when this logic test falls, then function will work here, and here I have added another if function, and this if function, this is the first parameter, this is the third parameter, this is the second. We use here any message, B2 cell. Okay, enter, don't need that. I'm pressing here. So here product SATV and SM20, SMTV, it will be easy. Okay, please enter product name B2 cell, because now B2 cell equal 0, therefore first logic test is false, therefore showing going third logic test. When is going third logic test, third if function is B2 equal SMTB, then it will be true because it blank, therefore it has going third parameter, therefore it's showing. Please enter product name. Okay, it was SATV, sorry, SATV, STTV, ST, don't mind it, STV, sorry, STV 2000 and SMTV 10,000. Okay, and next video I will showing you how to you will select product here like this. You will click here, product will be show, just select, and price will be show here. I am going showing the second video. This is the third video because video is going very 24 minutes ho gaya. So if you want to more if, just you have to use here, and you have to mind how many if, and then you have to use same bracket. If equal, if you use it 2 if, you have to close 2 second bracket. Okay, if you use here another if, you have to close 3 bracket, you have to use logic. Okay, so this is the parameter, this is the if function. So friend, this is my first video and I am trying to make more video. So here I know that I don't know properly English, I am Bangladeshi and I trying to understand, so big my pardon, and please subscribe this channel and like, comment, if you if you write her good comment, I will be impressed and I will be create a new video. Okay, so this is the if function, and next video I will describe VLOOKUP and how to use data validation, how to use mail merge using Excel and or more. If you have any question about this my if function tutorial, just write the comment. I will try to answer you. Okay, so thank you, and repeat, and I am telling you, please subscribe and like and comment. Okay, thank you.